Okay, this is just a brief tutorial on the About the Language 2 result clauses that's in stage 27. So just going to take you through what's on the page here. And so here we go. We have learned purpose clauses, right? That's I went to the store to buy milk or so that I might buy milk. Um, Also in About the Language 1, we learned about indirect commands. Um, I told him to buy the milk. I asked him to buy the milk. I begged him to buy the milk. I ordered him. I commanded him. I warned him. All of those things can start at indirect commands. And the third clause in that series that uses ut to begin them is a result clause. And so, result and purpose and indirect command, on first glance, they all look alike because they all begin with ut. But the result clauses are really easy to spot because they all have a so word in them. So result clauses are, and honestly, the best similarity I can give you is any of those yo mama jokes, right? So the yo mama is so fat that, yo mama is so stupid that, um, your mama is so fat that her blood type is ragu. Um, your mama is so uh, she is so fat that she sat on a dollar bill and four quarters popped out. Any of those ideas, those are like result clauses. So here, not just that there was a crowd, but the crowd was so big, so great, that it took up the whole palace. It filled the whole palace. Not just that the young man wanted a sword, but he wanted it so much that he handed over the money immediately. And so part of the deal here with the result clauses is just recognizing the so words. So I'm going to give you the so words. So here they are: Tom, Talus, Ita, Seek, Tot, Tantus, Aum, the adjective, and then Adeo. And they all mean so basically in some way, right? So Tom is just the adverb so. Talus is also an adjective, um, just like Tantus is. So I could say something like, I am saying not just words, but I am saying such words, such kind of words, talia verba. Ita and seek are basically synonymous. They both mean so or in this way or in such a way. Tot means so many. So I saw so many men that. Tantus aum, so great. So maybe just like in our example that we have here, right? So great was the crowd. The crowd was so great, so big that. And then adeo here, almost synonymous with ita and seek, like it means so much or so greatly. And again, we go back to this example. So he wanted it so much that he immediately paid for it. And you can see in our examples here that we have all of these so words. Here's Tom, here's Tantus, here's Tot, adeo, and here's Tot again, here's Tom. And so every one of these we can recognize is a result clause because it has a so word, right? Your mama is so fat that ut. So the master was so dumb that all the slaves made fun of him.